Hello, it's Saturday the 27th of October. Now Google Maps added a follow button, I believe on Android, which is rolling out. It looks like this halfway down on the left hand side. So getting cracking, what we've got here is a really interesting part where although you've got the follow button, you don't know you're following anything unless you add to contacts, which I'll demonstrate in one moment. So you can see that this one with the School of Medicine at the local university, I've already started following this, and you get a little pop-up halfway down the page that says only businesses can see that you're following them, but you can actually follow them privately, and so therefore they don't know that you are following them, if that makes any sense. It also says follow this place, you'll get updates from the School of Medicine on your For You tab. And then what we get is, when you follow your first one, is a you followed your first place. You'll see updates and offers from the businesses. Businesses you follow can see your public profile, which is the bit about the privately thing. So after that, with this video, as it's a bit of a round table discussion, do you think you'll use this? Is it useful? We really need to have a look at the demo here. So in other words, what we've got is Google Maps opening up, of course, and then he says while Google Maps opens up, you've got this thing which is Chelsea Football Club in London, just as a demonstration. I'm not following it. If I click follow, I will get the pop-up, and then I dismiss that, and then I will get the little question mark that says only businesses, whatever. Now what we'll find is that if I go back to my Explore tab, what we find, he says, going back, is the For You tab rather, is this. Now as far as I've looked at a few minutes ago, to the best of my ability, I can't find anything whatsoever in there where my following places are. So what I figured that I would actually do, and I'll do this by going down to say my, so there we go, look, Morrison's in random. So if I wanted to follow them, I could click on them there and look at a lovely English breakfast, and I could follow them. But if I wanted to actually follow them and know that I followed them, I believe I have to go up to top right and add to contacts. And when you do add to contacts, you see there's nothing there. So what you have to do, add contacts so you can easily find them. So if I said he's super, not like that, I can't. Supermarket, which is what we say in, and add the label, and I believe that's a contact label, and there is the supermarket private label tab. Goodness me. Then we can go over and we can say Chrome beta. For a couple of days ago we've got the blog.google keyword, and the official post is fresh ways to stay up to date with your favourite places and find new ones, and it details that. I won't go through this because it pretty much says a couple of ideas of what I've discussed, but as always there are billions of users using this and everybody is different. So I think that was pretty much it, which was the thing, and that was it, using Google Maps Follow on Android, rolling out soon I believe.